Hello everybody, today we are going to learn how to make this heart-shaped holographic object that I made some while ago. And it's going to be divided, this tutorial, in two parts. First one is going to be the modeling of the object, and the second one, how I put everything together in Cinema 4D. So yeah, let's begin. First of all, what I did was I created a plane. The size of the plane is the size of the real image, so when you put the image it doesn't get distorted. And I draw just half of it of a heart, because further in the video I'm going to duplicate it and like in a mirror shape. Once I created half of a heart, I'm just going to like a little bit of retouches to make it more perfect, or make it the way I like it. By the way, this is just like how I made it. It doesn't mean that you have to make it the same. After that, once I did all the adjustments, I entered to the compound object and created the line of a heart. I also created two circles. The size is like your choice, so I created one small and one bigger. While selected the shape of a heart, I select one of the two circles. Doesn't matter which, you just select one. In this case I selected the small one. You can see in the path parameters it's going to be in the 0, which is like the beginning of the shape. Then in the path parameter I went to like 35, which is not like the half. In this case it's going to be somewhere over the crease of a heart, and choose like the big circle. So you can see it's going to be, it modifies all the heart. After 35 I'm going to go to the 100, which is the end of a heart, and select again the get shape and the small one. As you can see, I have the main shape, but I have some issues that I have to fix first. The plane is not like 90 degrees, and once I had that, I just select the whole object, copy and paste to clone it, and go to mirror, attach both. Yeah, go to the mirror, go to the surface bottom, select one of the surfaces, bridge, and in the bridge I just attach both surfaces. I just make it shorter, just selecting one of the edges and move it a little bit. By the way, it doesn't matter the definition is perfect. You can see over here, it's not perfectly round, which is not bad. You just need to have like the main shape of a heart, and once you have that one, we are going to subdivide it on Cinema 4D. So at the moment we just need to have like the main shape of a heart. So yeah, once we have the heart shape, we just export it as an OBJ or FEX. I hope you liked this mini tutorial. If you don't understand something, just tell me. This is like my first tutorial. Hopefully I'm going to improve in the next ones. And yeah, I will see you in the second part with the holographic textures and everything, and we will see how everything comes together. Bye.